Hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So I give last 10 years ki question and questions. Natra pair of linear equation in two variables ki PYQ 2015 dagina 2025 over discussion hours. So discussion is that we will be discussing one mark ki session number 1. Okay. Pair of linear equation in two variables ta mark lakti 1 mark amalakani 3 mark amalakani and 4 mark. Sige mark ahum jide hendok na laoi. Hey taragi question paper si aikoi na analyze to matam. Yan tare ko. So aikoi hamba question session number 1 mark ki yeng si. So question jina hai ji kaino yeng si ko. Question jina hai ji, when is a pair of linear equations said to be dependent pair? Karon kan linear equation ani is dependent pair ne hai ge. Si question is 10 da ju hangre 2017 da ju hangre 1 mark da ju hangre. Okay. Ado ita di hana yeng si ko question ji kamaina dependent pair ji karino hai bi hana yeng ji adu ga mu answer to si. Let us assume that we have two linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 haiba equal to 0 haiba linear equation ama leira amasung a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 haiba aikoi gi linear equation ani leire khalo. Okay, now x ki coefficient si aikoi na ratio putho a by ki coefficient b1 by b2 ki ratio putho a aduga constant c1 by c2 putho. Karigumba putho iba ratio ahum ji chap manaraba adu oiba taradi aikoina equation ani jibu dependent oi haini. Dependent or coincidental. Yantare ko. Samna haibada karigumba aikoina linear equation ji graph oine yekthokpa matamda equation 1 gi mathak sidai sida equation 2 gi line jiu tasangani. Yantare ko, both of them would be coincidental, coincide tonagani. Yantare ko, sini mana hai si adu oita di akoina kamaina explain togani haibada. Okay, so solution, a pair of linear equations are said to be dependent pair if the two equations have infinitely many solution. Coincide tauramnina mogi point of intersection ji infinite numbers ore natra adu ita di infinitely many solution sigi condition ji bigada. Yan tarani ko si is the adum 1 mark. Yan line of family. Okay. Now, I koina question number mug discuss towards. Okay, another question. 2025 ta discuss 2015 the hangiba 1 mark. Mana equation ani piram. Equation ani is again 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 habama. 6x plus 9y plus 36 is equal to 0 habama. Sig is a consistent oibra natraga consistent oidabra. Okay, consistent oiba haibidi karino haiba matamda karigumba linear equation ji aikoina moi solution ji laigadra hai. Okay, or at least one solution laigadra. For example, aikoina linear equation ji ani thongna yekthoeb pasida line segment si yekthoeb amana sida laira. Okay, adagi amana equation ji ani ji yekthopa matamda either mabani ji intersect tauba wa or mabani ji parallel oiba or mabani ji coincide taunaba adu amai mathakta ama lakpa. Ngadarani ko amai mathakta ama lakpa taradi se Kamai tawni haiba matamda moiji sidaisda point of intersection equation 1 gi line and lower sina equation 2 gi line and lower. Okay, similarly see equation 1 and equation 2 gi line and lower sina equation 1 manung le horiba amuba color sina equation 2 and lower. Okay, ahum jigi condition je tholakani equation 1 2 ga line je yekthokpa matamda either moiji point amada intersect tawba sungtau parallel line or chakiba or coincide tawna amai mathak ama oi sigi condition ahum jidaisda karam kanda consistent oi haitaradi moise at least one solution leba sidaisda the infinite number of solution la ani ko. Okay, sidaisda na one solution la ani sidaisda na no solution intersect tawdrabnina equation ani du solution lairoi yan taraba adu itadi aikoina check tawdoisi either coincide tawbra intersect tawbra at one point or coincide tawbra haibase aikoina check tawdoine. Okay, sigi karam kanda check tawgani haiba matamda mogi condition je ngasi magi equation gi a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 lairaba adu itadi kedorani moiji equation ji manarani sorry equation ji solution ama lairani yare ko mathangda a1 by a2 ji b1 by b2 ga manaraba and c1 by c2 ga manaraba adu itadi coincide orani yan taraba sigi condition ani jidaisda moiji consistent oigani if karigumba sigi condition je lairaba sidi kaino a1 by a2 ga b1 by b2 ga manarani but c1 by c2 ga di manararoi. Okay, so karigumba sigi condition je lairaba adu oitaradi it would be inconsistent yan tabra so this is inconsistent. Okay, adu oitadi khoi solution ji hauji ko. So question jina piram is the given equations are solution. The given equations are natra hambada 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 equation 1 mathangda 6x plus 9y plus 36 is equal to 0 equation 2. Okay, now mathangda sidai koina kai haibiya here natra a1 ji kya lera a1 is the coefficient of x natra 2 b1 jina is equal to 3 natra and c1 is equal to minus 12. Similarly a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 9 and c2 is equal to 36. Now I coin a coefficient ki ratio mein humse puthosi a1 by a2 which is equal to 2 by 6 which is equal to 1 by 3. Mathangda b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 9 which is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, mathangda last condition c1 by c2 is equal to minus 12 by 36 you itadi kaitara minus 1 by 3. Now see is a1 by a2 ga manare b1 by b2 ga a1 by a2 ga manare natra so thus a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 sigi condition je karam kanda oigi sigi condition je oigidra sigai no mawani ji equation ani ji aikoina line di ekthroku matamda parallel oire and hence no solution laitrabnina inconsistent adu oitadi therefore the two linear equations are inconsistent. So this is how we will attempt such question. So, let us discuss another question. Okay, 1 marker ki question among discuss tawse sina 2017 da hangibani. Okay, hangide kaino pair of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 has no solution if karam kan solution laitege solution laitabadi parallel oigibda mamang ye koina discuss tawgiba sigi condition je oidoini inconsistent oibigi natra adu itadi karam oini a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 sigi question ji equation ji sorry sigi option ji oirani natra inconsistent oiba or no solution oiba haibadi line ji aikoina sorry equation ani ji yek thorakpa matamda parallel oiba they do not intersect and hence there are no solution ama bhoba laite. Okay, so another question 1 marker very easy 1 mark ma'am this is a pyramid 1 mark question ma'am all of them are very similar concepts isi kathani season this is ama angyo 2019 the 1 mark natra chamana question ni karam kan the dependent pair oige. Okay, now sigi matang sida dependent pairs in a karam bano haibisi amuk yengsi ko. Now dependent pair haibidi okay karigumba masagi aikoigi linear equation anise. Okay, dependent pair haibidi line amale. Okay, equation amagi line je yek thoe yare ko yek thoaba matungda equation amagi line ju equation hanigi line ji mathak ta chap chana tasalla. Okay, tasan ba haibidi sigi condition ji kaino coincide tawba natra coincide tawtar di equation ji dependent pair and higher. Okay, sigi condition ji karam kanda oige haiba matamda a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 moi ahum mak puthokiba ratio ji chap manar kanda moi ahum equation ani ji dependent oini which means coincide tonagani. Okay, adu oita this is the the condition ahum le. Let's look at some of the conditions. There is a period aikoigi a1 by a2 haibam leire natra siga b1 by b2 ga manadraba si oita di aikoida kai lerni unique solution amale yantare ko sina haibidi kaino equation ani ji intersect tonarani. Okay, mathangda a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 natra sida is the kamai tawni haiba matamda coincide tawrani natra coincide tawtaradi moigi solution ji kaino infinite solution lani yantare ko infinite solution haibidi magi nasaigi line yek thorakpa matamda line amagi mathakta equation amagi line amagi mathakta amalani so the point of intersection di yam infinite oire aduna moiji coincide tawre na hai. Okay, now another condition jina gaino a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 sidadi line g parallel oirani so parallel oiramnina no solution intersection tau tonararoi line ani se yantare ko line amuna silerani line amuna sumai chakrani. Okay, now sigi condition ji aikoina yengaba matungda aikoina sidagi aikoina lokthokpa yai si karino haiba matamda sideng ani sidai solution ji sigi condition ani se at least one solution laibnina sibu aikoina kari haini consistent and haini. Okay, sidai jina solution laitabjina inconsistent. Okay, yadarani ko consistent haitaradi either intersect tauba or parallel oiba sorry coincide oiba natra inconsistent haitaradi parallel oiba yan tare ko mathangda amuk sigi condition sidagi amuk thole okay aba thole isna kaino haikanda sigi condition jina koina ngasai mamangida dependent pair origina sigi condition okay a1 by a2 b1 by b2 c1 by c2 je coincide taunaraba okay adu oitaradi dependent oigani yan tarani ko sigi condition ji khatadane question marker ayamna lai sigi condition je seasonaba khatang sidida 1 marker loinamak 1 mark ki question man je all of the 1 mark question would be based on these 3 conditions. So see 3 condition ji yam phajana khangadaba a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 unique solution consistent a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 chamanare coincide tawrani infinite number of solution consistent a1 by a2 b1 by b2 c1 by c2 a1 by a2 ga b1 by b2 ga manaraga c1 by c2 ga manadradi parallel or any no solution inconsistent yantare ko aduga ai koina ngasai gi coincide tauba equation ani dubusu ai koina dependent hairga su khangnei yantare ni ko sigi condition je please pay very any attention. Today's the concentrate the view see they see is you can the equal 1 mark solve the okay so today's the 1 mark case session number 1 okay I hope you guys had a great learning experience. In case of any doubts concern please let me know. Okay, so thank you for joining Anchor classes. We will meet again.